After earning my doctorate in clinical psychology, I taught a course on the psychology of men at Azusa Pacific University. One of my students was about to make her final presentation in class. She stood up, took a deep breath, and said, "Before I start, I just want to say that I used to hate men. I thought they were all jerks. This course has completely changed my mind. I have far more compassion for guys than I ever thought possible." I'm confident she wasn't the only woman who didn't know the truth about men's experience. Another way I helped spread the news was through seminars. I got an email from one attendee who said, "My sister was having problems in her marriage, and I went online to try to find help for her. I hadn't told anyone I was planning to walk out of my own marriage. But your seminar and book changed my mind. My husband and I read your book together, and it saved our marriage." More recently, a woman reached out to me because of her sister. She told me what was going on and why she was ready to walk away after 40-plus years of marriage to her college sweetheart. I suggested she conduct a few experiments with her husband and let me know what happened. A week later, she came on with a big smile. She didn't understand why, but change had already occurred in the way her husband was behaving. She just kept chipping away at the wall between them with a new experiment each week. It wasn't long before she was able to recognize what had happened to her own identity during the marriage, and she was able to embrace some very encouraging realities about who God created her to be. Now, not everyone who hears my messages experiences such a radical, positive change. I wish they did. Most women do see a change in their husbands in a short amount of time, but I realize from my own personal experience that simply knowing the truth about men doesn't solve the entire equation. There's still the issue of a woman's identity.